And here we have, it's the finger introduction. Hello, oh, here we are. Here we are. Nope, too soon.
Hey there, friends, fans, and YouTube viewers. We had a viewer request. This viewer asked us if we would do a sound test to show the sound level of the X5S gimbal and camera. So that's what we're doing today. As you can see, the majority of the sound is not actually coming from the camera or the gimbal, it's coming from the cooling fans on the Inspire 2. And just for good measure and fun, we decided to see the sound level when the Inspire 2 takes off. As you can see, using our ABC app sound meter and our Inspire 2 with the X5S camera, the sound level really reaches its maximum point with the Inspire 2 cooling fans, and then of course when it takes off. So for the viewers who wanted to know how loud the camera and the gimbal are, they are relatively quite quiet. And you should have no problems with ground filming with a mic or later with an Osmo handheld. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please send us your requests, subscribe to our channel, and have a really great day.